ठीक है सर. Balvinder ji, first of all, I would like to ask you, what are the new initiatives, new measures that you are taking after taking over the reins of the authority?
Actually, in various departments or various organizations within the DDA, we are taking number of initiatives and innovative steps. To begin with, first of all, we want to introduce transparency in all the departments of DDA. So for that, computerization is the number one priority. Second is we want to make processes and procedures very simplified, so that the people don't have any problem when they come to DDA for availing any service. Like for example, if somebody wants to freehold his or her plot, leasehold plot, then they should get it without any problem. They should get the work done.
You're planning to make these things online also?
Online also, we have already done that. Number of procedures have been uploaded, and we are doing it. Now it is all online. We had special camps also, where nearly 2,000 properties were got freehold.
Okay, and you are also working on to implement citizen charter.
Yes, we are very serious about it. Citizen charter, basically we want to stick to the time limit which we have prescribed in the citizen charter.
So by when 100% compliance of citizen
I
charter?
think now at the present we have engaged Ernst and Young for working for bringing about computerization of all the processes taking place in DDA, and then also we have engaged National Productivity Council for undertaking reorganization of DDA. This study is also underway. So once this reorganization and computerization take place, then I think there will be sea change in the way we are working in DDA.
Why there is a delay in the master plan 2021?
Basically two chapters, that is transportation and environment, got delayed, but now transportation, now this environment chapter is almost finalized, and transportation maybe it will take another 10 to 15 days, and then we are putting up before the committee headed by Honorable LG. So maybe I think in 1.5 to 2 months we will able to finalize master plan.
And what is the status on the land pooling policy?
Land pooling policy, basically everything has been decided, regulations have been finalized, then we uploaded those regulations on the website, and we have got many suggestions, and we are now considering those suggestions, and soon I will have meeting at my level, and then we will request LG for firming up views on certain issues. So once those issues are settled, then we will move further.
Approximately how much time will it take for the
I
policy?
think maybe before election, before completion of election, we would like to firm up our views on it, so that in the new government we can make a presentation before the honorable ministers and like.
And while formulating this, you are ensuring that there should be transparency in land pooling?
Yes, that is very important. If we make procedure very cumbersome and non-transparent, then this scheme will not take off at all. So this is the prerequisite for launching this scheme.
And it was expected that after 4 years, almost 4 years, now DDA will come out with the residential
Yeah,
scheme.
because this has very complicated procedures, and you know Delhi, the land is very, very costly. Because of that, there are so many associated problems.
And why is the housing scheme launch getting delayed? It was
Housing scheme has been delayed because one is, of course, election had not been there, these elections, we would have announced this scheme, but but hopefully maybe in the month of June, July, we will announce the scheme, and nearly 40 to 50,000 houses are under construction. and we will be completing those very soon, maybe within this year. So we want to include all those different categories of houses under the scheme.
So you mean 40 to 50,000 flats would be on offer when you come out with the scheme?
Yeah,
That will be one of the biggest.
yeah,
single
definitely we
launch
would like to include these numbers at least.
Always there has been a problem regarding and concerns regarding DDS construction and timely delivery. So are you?
So that is why we are not in hurry to announce this scheme. We want to be very sure that the timeline by which we have to deliver possession to the flats. That is why it is getting delayed.
And what is the status regarding opening up of Outer Delhi for housing projects?
Outer Delhi is opened. You are talking about in what sense? Matlab these.
Yeah, Outer Delhi. In the Outer Delhi region, it was expected that land will be opened for housing. There is some locked land, or it will be.
No,
done-
that is all linked to this
Land pooling
land
policy.
pooling policy. Once this scheme is announced, then all the area that is coming under this Outer Delhi will be included in this land pooling policy.
And the scheme which is about to come, there will be flats of various sizes in that.
Yeah, right from LAG, right from
EWS.
EOW houses to MIG flats.
To MIG. And HIG would also be there.
Yeah, there would be, yes.
HIG would also be there. DDA has proposed increasing FAR. So, don't you think it will put further pressure on the existing infrastructure which is already under burden?
No, but whenever we announce that we are giving increased FAR to various categories of houses or say commercial unit, this point is considered very seriously regarding parking as well as infrastructure facilities to be made available in that area. So certainly, but at the same time, there is a need to increase FAR so that increased demand of various segments of society is met.
And what are your plans in coming up with new commercial centers in Delhi? Are there any plans?
Now we are revising this because there are many commercial areas and centers which we have advertised in the past, but we couldn't get response, adequate response. That is why we couldn't dispose of those commercial areas. So now we are revising our policy and we will make it more attractive so that more investors are attracted for implementation of commercial areas in various pockets across Delhi.
It is said close to 5,000 acres of DDA land is encroached. What steps are you taking to
Actually, these all land has been encroached in the last 3 decades or maybe 4 decades, and now many areas have been regularized or in the process of being regularized. So definitely, DDA has not done so well on this front for protection of land.
So you are planning something for this to get the land free?
We are taking up this activity, but certainly there are problems.
And has work started on digitization of records?
Yes, it has already started, and daily we are carrying out scanning of files as well as digitizing the records. This is all under top priority.
And are you planning to introduce any new redressal, any grievance mechanism?
We have, in fact, we have a well established and very detailed grievance redressal system. Online system is there. The only thing is we have to make it more meaningful. It should address problems very promptly. So basically,
Is there a way
problem
you-
is on that. Not we have a system in place.
Is there a way by which you can monitor, for example, I register a complaint, whether it's being resolved in a particular time frame or not?
Yes, it is all there.
You can monitor it on
We can monitor at
Yeah.
my level,
at your
even
level.
at LG level.
It,
Yes,
But-
there is a provision for monitoring at various levels.
But I think there is a lack of awareness that among the general public that they can do some online grievance, they can register their problems, such kind of awareness.
No, there is, yes, that is there. But certainly we are taking steps to make this site more popularized. And yes, I agree, there is a need to do more in this area.
I am sitting for half an hour and looking at your schedule. You are so busy. How do you take out time for painting and
It's very
writing
difficult.
and reading?
Very difficult because most of my paintings which I have displayed that were done before taking over charge.
So now painting has gone to backstage.
Yes.
And
Till I am here on this post, it would be very difficult to.
how do you,
I can't spare even a minute for this.
and how do you able to how are you able to take out time for reading and writing, which takes huge amount of time?
That is my passion basically. So, because whenever you are, whatever you are doing, your mind is always working. So your mind can work on many tasks simultaneously.
Now, since you are reading and writing spiritualism, it must be helping you in your work life, in your professional life.
Yes, it works, it helps a lot. Two things are very important: how you face day-to-day challenges in your professional life and personal life, and during those times, how you maintain your peace, serenity. These are very, very important things, and on both the front, this helps.
Thank you, Balwinder ji.
Thank you.
Thank you.